So you just watching me make my 2,000 calorie dinner at 10:47 p.m. Now, the reason it was so late is because I took a nap after school, and while that's not a problem most of the time, I slept until like 9:30 because it was my rest day, and like when I don't have anything to do, I just sleep because like I got nothing else to do. Now that was probably a dumb idea, but gotta make ends meet. So here I am eating 2,000 calories before going to sleep. So now we got fish sticks, we got mini ice cream, my 1,300 calorie shake, which you guys saw me make. If you really need bulk, that's my best suggestion to you. It's 14 ounces of milk, 2 scoops protein, and 130 grams of peanut butter. Peanut butter is your number one thing when you're bulking. I got 3 ounces of pasta. I can't stomach more than that at one time, so that's why I have only 3 ounces. But it's easy carbs, and carbs are really important when you're training for energy. So now some plans that I got is to hit a 250-pound bench at under like 135. Right now I'm currently sitting at like 129 morning weight, like 129 even. And it's weird because I'm eating like 3,500 calories a day, and that's probably under tracking, but I'm eating a shit ton regardless. And I haven't been gaining that much, but I'm going to trust in the process. We're going to continue to eat 3,500 and see where that takes me. The goal originally was tomorrow's Halloween, and the goal originally was to hit 245 at 130, but I'm not 130 yet. But I still think I got a little bit stronger because my previous bench PR was 235 at 127, so I'm up 2 pounds. So that should give me some area to improve because when I gain like 2 pounds, I gain 10 pounds on my bench because I hit 225 at 125 and then 235 at 127. But before all that, I hit 205 at 123. So, I'm hoping that I can hit 245. But lately, my wrist has been kind of messed up, like from arm wrestling and like heavy ass hammer curls. And there's a whole bunch of things that really mess with your wrist and your joints. So I don't know if I can physically handle, like my wrist can handle that much weight, but we'll find out tomorrow. I'm hoping to be asleep in like 1.5 hours because I still need to sleep, even though I just napped for like 6 hours. Because sleep is important, but I haven't eaten in like 7 hours almost, so my body's like catabolic as shit right now. But we're gonna keep it moving, keep it going. So as far as the plan, I was talking about the 250 at 130, sub 135. So anywhere between 130 135, whenever I hit 250. But that's definitely a goal of mine. Because a long time goal of mine was to bench 2 times my body weight. So if I hit 250 at 130, that's 1.9. Bring me one step closer. Because right now my bench ratio is 1.85. So it's annoying, but I was trying to get my friend into doing YouTube, like just documenting his journey or whatever, but he said it wasn't for him. And I mean, it's not really for everyone. I just like making these videos to look back on and also maybe help people out who are similar to me, who are skinny and can't bulk, or, just have someone to relate to. I like to lift other people up and not bring them down because who likes being brought down? It's good to spread positivity around the world because the world really lacks that, so. But yeah, I haven't posted in a while, so just making this video to let you guys know I'm still alive. But I'm posting shorts a lot because like they're really good to get views and engagement. I mean, my whole channel is foundation is shorts. Like I grew 99% of my channel from doing shorts. So if you're a YouTuber and you're needing to get more engagement, get more views, get yourself out there, shorts is definitely the way to go because I get like 1,000 views per short at least 1,000 views. And over in the past month, I've gotten around 180,000 views. So this really helps out my channel a lot. I'm hoping to hit like 1,000 subscribers by the end of next year, so 2024. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. And currently my fish sticks are at like 10 seconds left, so that's fun. But yeah, I'm gonna get to eating, and of course more content coming out soon as always, getting more and more consistent. Getting more and more consistent. I'm looking forward to building a community and growing my channel, growing myself as a person, and helping you guys grow as people too. So I'll see you guys in the next one.